Welcome Shilpi Bharadwaj. You are appearing for Bank of Maharashtra Scale to GBO interview. Please tell us about yourself.
I am Shilpi Bhardwaj and I belong to Nawashahar, Punjab. I would like to directly go through my experience, qualification, and then experience. I have done graduation in business administration. Post that, I have done the training course of. This is a postgraduate diploma in banking operations. I have done this for 6 months classroom training, and then for 6 months on job training it was. Right now, I'm working with the Yes Bank as deputy branch manager in Faridabad. I have total work experience of 9 years. I started working with ICICI Bank, and there I worked as senior officer. Then I moved to Kotak Mahindra Bank, and there I worked as authorizer. And from last 5 years, I'm working with Yes Bank as deputy branch manager. I am working in retail branch banking where I have to take care of the internal guidelines. I have to comply the internal guidelines issued by the bank in order to make ready branch for audit purpose. And I am also taking care of customer service part of the branch, and I am heading the branch in totally towards the operations part. And four to five people always reports me. Right now I have reportees. Right now 4 people are reporting me, like we have shortage of one staff. And let me tell you something about my qualities. Like I am a kind of person who actually believe in problem solving. My attitude is problem solving, and yes, definitely I have to see to the problem also, but I do not focus much on the problem. As I know, whatever happened has happened. Now the solution is the only thing which can lead me to the next level. Also, I have the capability of working under pressure. This I have learned during my 9 years of experience. Also, I have good communication skills with network building capabilities I have, which will definitely help, which actually helps me out in managing uh, good relationship with the customer. I would give you one example that from last 6 months, uh, I have not received a single complaint which is, started, which was branch related. I mean, no direct complaints from the branch has been received to the bank in last 6 months.
But you stay in Faridabad.
Yes, right now I'm staying in Faridabad. Otherwise, I belong to Nawashahar, Punjab.
You are married?
Yes, I'm married.
How many kids do you have?
I have one kid and she's 8 months old.
Only 8 months. What is the name of the baby?
She's Kavya.
Why did you
She's a
name?
baby girl.
Why did you name her Kavya?
Uh, Kavya, because I always wanted to be a singer, and I heard that the name actually gives the relevance to your life. Uh, that's the reason I thought I wanted to be a singer. That I couldn't make it, but I definitely want that my daughter can take these qualities in her. And I'm not saying that she should do whatever I want. She should do whatever he wants in her life, but definitely I want this can be the hobby for her. At
Which
least
singer
she
you
can
had in
enjoy.
which singer you had in mind?
So I have one Punjabi singer, Satinder Sartaaj. He is a very
But I thought
his songs are like melody.
you named Kavya after following some Kavya, a singer
No,
Kavya.
no, not like that. Like as I already told you that I think the significance of name really matters in your life. So that's the only reason I named her Kavya.
So what is the meaning of Shilpi?
The meaning of Shilpi is if I say it in Hindi, it's मूर्ति या फिर कोई art. So the art which is made by some architecture is called Shilpi.
Right. In Tamil also we have a word kirti, one who carves and makes statues and all that. No?
Statues,
Yeah,
correct, correct.
yeah,
So
very
it's
good.
not only about statues. Shilpi is basically art. It not only statues come under this art. Uh, Many other kind of arts also come under this Shilpkar.
It's very
So
good.
not only
No, no, very good. First comment, you are talking nicely, but आप थोड़ा लंबा समय लेते हैं. So that
okay.
is that is my immediate comment on this. I don't know how your further discussions will go on.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever point you wanted to say, you could have told it in much earlier, much shorter time.
Okay.
थोड़ा इसको मन में रख लीजिए, otherwise no problem. You are a confident lady. I'm happy about that. Now let me come to interview. Is this the first mock interview? But sorry, first interview you are attending with Bank of Maharashtra, or last year you tried?
No, this is first, sir. I have appeared for SBI CBO prior to this, but around when in 2019, I think I appeared for SBI CBO. Then also I gave mock interviews to you.
Acha, you gave mock interview to me only. Acha. But
Yeah.
that time it was very bad. They made 90% as the cutoff for selection in the
Yeah, I scored 86%, and they gave the cutoff of 88.
88 or 90, I don't know, something like that.
No, it was 88 for general, and I scored 86.
Very sad. Then why did you not try in the next year and all?
But for next year in CBO, my age limit was not there. I was
Oh, oh,
31. Yeah,
क्रॉस कर दिया.
cross कर दिया था.
Very
Now
good.
I got this opportunity. Then I thought I should not leave it.
Very good. That's good. Now, the the question goes like this: what are the achievements made by you in your present portfolio? Of course, you covered a 50% of that by telling there are no complaints and you are taking care of compliance aspect of it and all that. Can you tell me what you think is the greatest achievement you have ever made in Yes Bank?
See, when I became deputy branch manager in the year 2020, post that I have gone through two major audits of the branch, and I was in both of them I was top rated, which is good in my bank. I was rated good in both of the interviews, and one of the branch for which I was given good interview was categorized as B, in which gold loan and lockers were also available. So that
Talk,
branch was also good.
Talking about Yes Bank, you were there very much when there was a problem in Yes Bank, correct?
Yes, I was there, sir.
Has that problem affected your salary structure and all, or they have left it
No,
untouched?
no. So bank never affected our salary structures and the perks they have given us, and also they never, they always supported the employees
Acha,
in
what about the
any
future?
manner, in
What
personal as
about
well as professional.
what about the future increments?
Yeah, future increments for a year or so it hampered, but it hampered everywhere in private banks because of COVID. But
Mhm.
then when they give us increments after a year, they give us very good increments.
Excellent. What is the present pay packet you are having?
Right now I'm getting 8.2 uh,
Roughly.
as
Okay,
my
okay.
overall package.
Sufficient. Yeah. Now with the scale 2, I think you will be getting somewhere around 9 or so. 9 plus.
Yes, sir.
Once you, yeah, good, excellent. Now, supposing the salary of a S Bank had been 10 plus,
Right.
Imagine tomorrow a resolution is passed by the board stating all
Mhm.
you people will be getting minimum 2 lakh increase in salary.
Right.
What will be your stand? Even then, will you be trying for Bank of Maharashtra, or would you like to continue with Yes Bank?
Uh, no, sir. I will definitely still. I will be trying for my Bank of Maharashtra then also,
Why?
because yeah, I'll tell you, because the career growth which I see for myself in future is really stable in Bank of Maharashtra, because
Okay, okay. Now I think I could get it. That you have career growth in mind when you say this. So that is good.
yeah.
Good. That is right. Um, Now, does it mean that you don't have much exposure to credit management? Because the advertisement you must have seen, they are laying more emphasis on branch management than credit management or forex management and all that. Are you aware of that?
Yes, sir, but not, completely. But yes, I am aware of that up to an extent.
Yeah. Now, what is your knowledge regarding credit management? Have you studied some CAAB, JAB exams and all?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, frankly speaking, in private sector bankings, these exam doesn't give relevance to your performance growth.
True, but don't you feel that it gives you knowledge?
Yeah, but this is my lack that up to some extent I wasn't aware of this, that I should do these certifications as well. But now I am prepared for this for next, whenever GIB exam in March, I will be filling for this. I have already started preparing for it.
Similarly, I am told now there is one certificate known as Certified Credit Professional, something CCP. That is also a must. Credit, credit, they want to give more importance for that.
Yes, sir.
So please try to prepare. If at all, if you can do both simultaneously, I suggest you are doing both. Now is the time. I know you have a small baby. Who is helping you at home for taking care of the baby?
My parents-in-law stays with me,
Mm,
and we also have one house help
very
who
good.
actually takes care physically for the daughter,
Mm,
and for everything else that daughter is
very
keeping
good.
well at home.
That is fine. But I would recommend you are spending at least half an hour solidly with the child in talking to her to improve our communication ability.
Yes, sir. In Yes Bank, we have this good thing that they leave us by 6:30.
Really
That if
great.
you Yeah, if you are staying back after 6:30, you need to take approval from RBL, I mean, regional leadership.
Oh,
And yeah, that's good in
excellent.
this bank.
Very good. I'm very happy. It may not be there in Bank of Maharashtra. What will you do?
Then I will somehow manage this time for my daughter. And I believe, sir, when I was working with other banks, there was no such provision that you should leave bank by 6:30. But that time also, I used to prepare myself that way during the day, that I will complete all my work within the time limits and leave by 6:30, so that I can also enjoy my personal life as well as the professional.
Good.
Once the professional life is okay, then personal is okay, then professional will definitely be okay.
What is your husband? You said I don't know whether you said
He is working for Bharat Petroleum. He is in the
Acha,
audit part.
you didn't tell
Yeah.
me. Yeah, yeah. Bharat Petroleum. Correct, correct. Good.
Yes, sir.
What is he in Bharat Petroleum?
He is in quality control, so he is basically taking care of the quality check of fuel in on the fuel stations. So his job is basically traveling wala. So traveling job. So he travels for 10 days approximately. He visits us in 10 days, I would say. So that is his job. So not only the petrol pumps, but also like we have branches for banks. They have locations for their offices. So he also
Oh,
have to audit those locations.
yes, bank pays you bonus also.
Yes, sir.
That's a good. That's really good. What is the present bonus system in public sector banks? I don't know. That's why I'm asking. Do they pay bonus?
I have no idea, sir. I have not checked that.
You have not checked it up. I don't know. That's why I asked you. Doesn't matter. Now, a bank officer or bank manager's performance is judged by what?
Judged by the book size, the increment in book size, overall book size, and book size means the deposit size. I mean the liabilities as well as the loans asset
Excellent.
size.
Excellent. That's good. This is a good answer. Now, why should I give preference to Shilpi instead of giving preference to other candidates?
So as I told you that my qualities will definitely help you in getting in wherever I will be placed, getting that particular branch to grow, because I have that capability that I can handle the customers easily. I can provide them good services, as well as I have uh, I have learning capabilities as well. I really want always I really want in both of the aspects, in personal and professional, that I want to learn something new every day. So if I'm not the kind of person who is from credit background, but definitely I can assure you that my integrity and my skills will help in learning credit part as well, and I'm right now good at the liability part.
What did you learn in the recent past?
I have learned about fund based and non fund based credits. Like I was not sure about the segregation of fund based and non fund based, but now theoretically I have started learning about
What
it
is
because
what
I
are
have
not? Can you tell me non-fund based facilities?
non fund based facilities are basically guarantees and letter of credit given by the bank
What is the
on
letter of
behalf.
credit? What is the letter of credit?
Letter of credit is a kind of a guarantee issued by the issuer bank on behalf of uh, his customer. For example, if A is the importer and he's from India, and B is from, let's
Correct.
say,
Correct. You're carrying it correctly. Good. What is the performance guarantee?
performance guarantee is performance guarantee is if you do not perform the job, uh, then the authority have the right that they will not pay you, and in that
No,
case
no.
bank guarantee will have
No,
to.
everything okay, but then while telling, you must be careful about not using the word you, and you should put the
Customer.
customer, and
Yeah.
then speak accordingly. Otherwise, it is okay. Why banks are doing this non-fund based business?
Banks are also earning commissions on it.
Excellent. That is sufficient. Commission, and also they get margins in the form of fixed deposits and all that. Good. You told this nicely. I am happy. Now tell me, what is the share price of S Bank now in the market?
It is 17 rupees right now.
What is the market capitalization of S Bank?
No, sir, I have not read that.
Similarly, what is the share price of our market capitalization of S Bank is 460.14 billion. Please note it. It is now 16 rupees. Now, 460.14 billion. It's a good amount, not a small amount. It's a 1 4.
billion.
Hello,
Okay.
it's nothing new. I'm just looking into my Google and just
Hmm.
getting it from there, nothing else. That's all. See,
Yeah.
are you seeing on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Same way you should know about Bank of Maharashtra also. बात में कर दीजिए, कोई तकलीफ नहीं. Now only 2 3 questions for the first day. Please tell me what is MSME.
MSME is marginal, small, and small and medium enterprises.
Can
Sorry,
you can you tell me the
micro.
definition of it? Definition?
So, on the basis of turnover and investment,
Hmm.
RBI has divided MSME into three parts.
Hmm.
One is micro, small, and medium. For
Hmm.
micro, the investment in plants and machinery should be uh,
Hmm.
10 lakhs.
Sorry, wrong. Look, I know you may not be able to
One,
tell it.
1 crore,
I
yeah,
know,
1 crore
I
and
know,
5 crore.
I know you may not be able to do it, but still, this is what I have provided you. May, because you have joined today only, you might not have had occasion to go through. आप नहीं जानते ये वाला डाउनलोड करने से आपको साथ में आ जाएगा, समझे?
Okay.
इसका अंदर में there are so many things that we can read, but just go through this material briefly. Important points note कर लीजिए. You are not an Indian Bank employee, I know that, but whatever things that are related to your bank is same thing with other bank also, barring
Right.
commission rate, interest rate, etc. So यहाँ पर आप आने से तो रूरल बैंकिंग के सारे में पढ़ सकते हैं, एमएसएमई का बारे में पढ़ सकते हैं. Here if you come you will have the definition, whatever is relevant उसको पढ़ लीजिए. And after that also, this is another excellent material they have come out with. FAQ on policies. FAQ on policies. That is credit policy ले लीजिए. Credit policy लेने से तो इसमें क्या क्या है? What are the questions about various things? Like that. If just I don't know, not everything will be relevant for you. Whatever is of
Mm-hmm.
interesting for you, please read that. Something,
Okay. Okay.
but IT activities and all आपको जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा. But बोला probably this one. Just a minute. Hmm. Like this one. See what is the procedure to review renewal of borrower accounts, like this. But ये सब तो पूरा आप नहीं पढ़ सकते हैं, but something like that. You please go through, and above all, if nothing is possible, please go through this material I have given in that, namely interview questions.
Okay, sir.
But 100% questions will not be as it is appearing here, because your credit exposure is less and they will not be inclined to harass you by asking again and again credit. However, there may be some stray questions like what is balance sheet, what is ratio analysis, what is cash flow, what is funds flow, like that. वो सबको थोड़ा प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए. आपको यस बैंक का बैलेंस शीट का बारे में भी थोड़ा मन में रख लीजिए. I have given
Okay.
a material known as the performance of Bank of Maharashtra for the financial year last.
Mm-hmm.
I have just downloaded from the this and I have given it here. हाँ, इसको देख लीजिए. But ये this and all you don't require. Percentage increase is not required. End figure you must know.
Okay, sir.
ऐसा prepare करके मन में रख लीजिए. Tomorrow we will again meet. I hope you have taken leave tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Please prepare. I'm sure you will learn things very easily, and your communication skill is very nice. I'm not seeing you, but even otherwise, I will rate your performance somewhere around 8.5 to 9. And if there is a possibility, I will give you recruitment. It depends on luck. 60% luck, 40% merit. Okay?
Yes, sir.
I wish you success. The one reason that you are definitely to succeed is that you have the support of your family because you are already
Yes, sir.
working for a long time. Number two, you have the willingness to improve yourself.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
God bless you because in some cases, some women, they lack the support of family, husband, or say in-laws and all that. Here, you have presented it nicely that you have all the support. They will tease you by asking that you have a small child, how will you go to different places? You should say, हमारा कोई तकलीफ नहीं है, मेरे साथ मेरा मदर और मदर इन लॉ आ जाएगा और हम तो कुछ सर्वेंट मेड रख के उनको भी देख लेंगे, कोई तकलीफ नहीं, ऐसा बोलना है आप.
Okay, sir.
Today being first day, I had to spend more time